Hi beauties, so I have already primed my face. I use my elf grip primer to prime my face, and for my eyes I use my MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour eyeshadow base. I have oily skin, so I tend to produce oil around my crease. Yeah, so as you can see, it's somehow whitish because I apply that. Then beauties, after that I always love an easy blendable type of a product on my everyday makeup look. So the one that I am loving now is MAC Studio Fix Everywhere All Over Face Pen. Okay, I have it in the shade NC55. I don't know whether camera, let me remove the light so that you can see it. Yeah, NC55. I love this. Okay, you can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a pen, as a foundation. So I always love applying just not too much. Okay, not too much, because this thing is, they said it's all over pen, so you can use it all over your face. You press here and then the product comes out. Then I will go on to blend with my Real Techniques Face Expert brush. I love using this the day that I don't want to do too much. As you can see, it matches my skin so beautiful. For every day, they said everywhere, you can use it as a concealer. If you have the lighter color, you can use it as a concealer. But I'm using the one that is almost perfect to my shade. As you can see, can you see my neck and then my face is giving one color, right? Yeah, I love this. The day I went to MAC Cosmetics and they gave me tester, I have to run back to get this particular one. Okay, it is so good for every day. And the blendability, can you just see how good it blends into my skin with the help of this Real Techniques Expert face brush. Can you just see? Even my under eyes, there is no need for concealer, honestly. So beauties, can you see? Just check my neck and my face is giving one color, right? Yeah. Now that my face is looking one color, we want to bring dimension to the face. And I am a fan of bronzer. I love bronzing my face than contouring. If you're the type that loves adding contour, like depth, as you can see, I have like natural contour here, right? So I don't bother myself adding more. What I normally do is to bring warmth to my face. So I am using my MAC Cosmetics Sunstroke Radiant Bronzer in the shade Radiant Richer Rosy. I'm going to show you the color. Can you see? Yeah. So I'm just going to apply it on the areas that I will bring warmth to my face. Can you see? And then around my forehead. Okay, just to bring depth and the warmth to the face. When we apply concealer, sorry, this is a braided wig. When we apply foundation, our face look like one shade. But then in reality, we don't have, especially dark skin girls, we don't have like one color on our face. So this is going to bring back all the dimension and all the shades on our face. Okay. And then I want to also apply a bit on my nose. And then on my eyes. I'm not wearing anything, but then I still want to bring like a kind of color to the eyes. This is like everyday wear, the day that I don't want to do too much. This is all that I do. Like I said, I did not even apply any concealer. This pen always, can you just see how my under eyes is looking? Yeah. So what I will do is to go back to the foundation brush and then make sure I blend everything so that there won't be any harsh line, kind of. Can you see? So this particular one that I want to do now is optional. I want to like brighten my under eyes. You cannot. It is optional. It's not a must. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. Okay, it is also closer to my skin tone. I'm going to do this particular eyes and then show you the difference. Not too much. I did not apply concealer, but this all over pen acts like concealer and the foundation all in one. Can you see this one to compare with this? Let me just stay back a bit. Can you see this is more brightened than this? So this is what I normally do the days that I don't want to do too much. And then sometimes I apply it, all the areas that I normally apply my highlighter like concealer. It is not a must. You can only do the under eyes. Okay. Yeah. And then here too. So beauties, if you look at my face, it's looking, you can go like this, apply your mascara and your lip gloss. But then, I am a blusher girl, so we have to apply blush. I am using my Raisin blush from MAC Cosmetics. Okay. Let me get myself a blush. Okay, let me use this, a brush to apply it. When you apply blush, it brings more color and warmth to your face, as you can see. And one good thing I love about MAC Raisin, no matter how heavy-handed you are, it's still going to give you that subtle look. Yeah, can you just see? So beauties, I'm going to go off camera, apply my mascara. We all know how to apply mascara, okay? And then I'm going to come back. So beauties, mascara applied. I barely have lashes on my eyes, okay? Yeah, but for everyday look, if you struggle with applying falsies, mascara is your best friend. And I tell you one thing, beauties, anytime you are struggling with having length, there is something they call the lash primer. I have this one from MAC Cosmetics, and then I have this one from Essence. Let me just show you how they look whitish, as you can see. Yeah, but then when you apply it on your eyes and then you apply your mascara, it adds length, okay? In case if you are struggling with length. But then today I did not apply any lash primer, just to tell you people that for every day we don't have to do all those things. So when you look at my eyes, the down part of my eyes is looking a kind of naked. So I am applying a black kohl pencil. Can you see the difference? Let me come closer. Can you see this one to compare with this? Yeah. So for every day, I don't have to apply mascara on my lower lashes because I barely have lashes there, beauties, honestly. I barely have lashes. So after that, the next thing that I will do is just to go to my lips. Like you all know, my everyday type of lips is always lip gloss and the lip liner. And the lip liner that I love using for every day is from MAC Cosmetics, their Chestnut lip pencil. Yeah. So I'm going to apply my Chestnut lip pencil. And then after that, I'm going to apply my Fenty Heat lip gloss on top of my Chestnut. Can you just see? And then beauties, I call it a day, okay? I get this cute hair clip from MAC Cosmetics. Very cute. If you notice, I did not set my face with powder because this is a very good product. I have used it so many times. There is nothing like creasing. My makeup remains the same until I get back home. Can you just see? Yeah, you can see the blush, you can see the bronzer, okay, you can see the lip gloss, you can see everything. Yeah, so beauties, that is it for my everyday type of a makeup for beginners. And I tell you one thing, beauties, we are in the last month of the year, being December. If you have not learned how to do your makeup, please watch this video that I did, this video that you are watching now. Watch it all over and all over again. It is very simple. It is very simple. You know, when you start seeing highlighting, contouring, this and that, look at that, I did not even apply any eyeshadow. You can use your bronzer on your eyelid as your eyeshadow. You can use your highlighter on your eyelid as eyeshadow. You don't have to be doing all those steps, but make sure that your skin prep is well done before going to your makeup, because this is the base that will carry your makeup. If you cleanse your face, you moisturize your face, you add your under eye cream, and then your SPF, which is very important. Don't tell me you don't need SPF. We all need sunscreen. And then after that, you wait for the skincare to settle on your face. Don't just go straight into applying your makeup. You wait for your skincare to settle and set on your face. Then you move on to your primer. As a beginner, we all need primer. If you have dry skin, go for a hydrating primer. Make sure that what is written on the front of the primer says hydrating for dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a mattifying primer. But then if you don't want for hydrating, for mattifying, you can go for a gripping primer, which is what I use today to grip my makeup. I did not use any mattifying primer. Okay? And then after that, beauties, you allow the primer to set at least 30 to 1 minute. If you are in a haste, fan, this ventilator fan should be your best friend, because it helps to quicken up things. Okay? Don't say, okay, I am in a haste, let me apply my primer, apply my this. No. Each particular step has to settle on your face before you move to the next step. Like I said, I did not use any concealer, but if you have like darkness under your eyes that is well seen, you can use a concealer. But for everyday use, I still want my skin to breathe. I still want you to see what is underneath. That is why it is called natural everyday type of a makeup. So beauties, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. My subscriber count is going down. I don't know what is happening. I have lost almost 900 subscribers. I don't know what YouTube is doing. But then please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and stay tuned to my channel, please. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment, like, share. And I will catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe out there. Bye.